Hello, my name is Sam. I'm the owner-operator of Sam's Services. This is my machine of choice. It's a Carlton 7015 diesel-powered stump grinder, and it's versatile. It can be used commercially, residential. It'll go anywhere. It's my machine of choice. When I got the machine, it had a 25-foot cord that plugged in to this plug, and it gave me remote access to the machine, but I had to babysit a 25-foot cord. About a year after I got the machine and I used that wire, I ran across a guy named Kurt. Kurt owns Electronic Solutions, and he advertised a wireless remote unit for my 7015. And let me show you how easy this is to install. You get a receiver, it looks like this, and it's a plug and go. This plug is already on the machine. You plug this in. Now, this is a receiver. You have to mount this somewhere. On my machine, I have it mounted inside my battery box here. You mount it, you plug it, put your antenna on, and you're ready to go. There's only two functions that the remote does not control. One is actually starting the machine, and one is controlling the throttle. But everything else you need to do to grind stump is controlled by that little box. Let me show you. It controls the forward and the backward, the front, left turn, right turn. It raises and lowers the cutter head, and it rotates the cutter head from left to right. That's all you need in order to do stump grind. And it turns the machine off. So if you think you're interested in one of Kurt's remote units, I'm telling you, he gives great service. He's a man of integrity. He does what he says he's going to do. He's helped me out a lot. And it really cuts down on your production time. It really increases your productivity. It's a great unit, great product, and I've had it about 2 years, and I just don't know what I'd do without it. So if you think you want to get one,